Philly, Jersey, and I head to a electronic store. Just like I was streaming yesterday, right? And uh, I was like playing the game a little bit. I was playing the game a little bit. Then this happened. So like my screen doesn't display anything with the HDMI. Hold on, let me flip the camera. So yeah, so like I used to display the HDMI on here. I tried using a different HDMI, like I tried using the Xbox. It didn't display um, anything on here. Uh, just the PS5 one. I used to go up and right, left, try to find a new sweet spot. Yet nothing gets displayed up on here. So I think it's the HDMI in my PS5. I had tried using the Xbox 360 HDMI I used to have, an old one, that ain't work, so I think it's the HDMI in the PS5. So I think that's the issue. So I'm going to a repair store with my brother pair the seeker, vlog it a bit and fix this HDMI port with the PS5 issues, cause the HDMI test with other ones I did, it didn't display nothing as you see its own. Like it's not even popping up or displaying. Even when you used to tweak it a little bit and have a sweet spot to display anything. So I think something with the HDMI inside the PS5. So I head to the electronics store and fix that. I pulled up to the electricity store. It's already here in this one. It's open. They said it was gonna take like 40 minutes. Why you grab the root of it?
So I'm gonna see how this one tastes. This original one. I'm gonna see how it tastes.
Oh yeah, at my workplace they be talking this one and up in it.
Yeah, so this one.
Also the glaze of cherry, not glaze of freezer.
Cool.
We had glaze of freezer one, then they came out with glaze of cherry. Then how it tastes?
There's no more you want tasting.
Okay. I want to drop everything. This one's less strong and more sweeter, so it's better. It's more strong. It tastes like the candy that strong has said the other one. This one tastes like the lighter candy like we used to from the doctor's office. Over here it was like around 100 something. Or I gotta find the right pocket over here. Forgot what pocket I put that in and checked every other pocket beside.
He gave you a receipt already?
Yeah.
When he gave you this an episode? You paid it with the...
No, I not paid it. They got repair.
Repair price 155 since it got open up everything.
Yeah, because you got used to tools, right? The soldering like $20. The parts probably come around like $30. Then like the repairing in general cost is like $60. So it's at the proper price.
The 155. No, ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਛ shopping ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ HDMI one port ਨੂੰ change ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਣਾ.
Oh, it's good.
It's not even cold out there. You can freeze it for no reason.
Oh, who's it? I'm freezing.
You got your hood on.
Yeah, I just keep my hood on. What's wrong with that?
It's not even December and it's more on freezing.
So you saying be freezing in December? I know white people that be in souls in December.
I don't ever be cold and don't even colder than my butt.
You're clearly cold since you wearing a pajama instead of a gusser right now. Like those white ass crackheads. Or they don't even be crackheads, they be on some weird shit like how you wearing shorts in this type of weather. Like your full on wind blowing as you see.
But the guy I said that. no card here.
Yeah.
I said only repair with cash or read it as fine.
Yeah,
He
he's
said cash or debit.
yeah, because debit is cash.
Yeah.
He told you probably meant like physical cash, because you know like people steal credit card and pay. That's why.
Yeah.
So he trying to prevent that. All electronics don't do the same thing a bit. What about you go over there? I'm joking. The delivery driver know that he came in and out. How empty that shit is already.
Yeah, so it's full.
uh,
And here's some house.
oh, like a deja vu. We've been here. I mean, we've been to the Top Golf area, but it's just like structured the same as everywhere we've been. You know, because it's like I feel like it's mixed with the city we went to. Like you know, like when we went to a different part of the city we used to live in. And plus, it's also looking like a bit of like New York, where in a certain area, it's like a mix of area structure buildings. That's why. Because they have suburb and half urban and like half street with row houses. I don't think I'm gonna finish this.
Which one, mine?
The buffalo chicken one, duh. That's mine, that's Caesar. So let me try chicken Caesar. Wrap. Ba plate pura pia. Cái pizza slice. Ba chứ lên chị. Mama nuôi cá đi phải.
There's some chips.
They came with it. Alright. Well, it came with two. Alright. Two chips like that. Yeah, because some people need to walk away with it.
Yeah.
Well, probably just better than just buffalo chicken. Nè cái Così trời Pia pisse. Look, you gotta hide his secret stays in here. I entered up bed early, you know, instead of waiting for them to call. When I thought in minutes, who knows, they probably was playing the games. But I'm back. Here we go. They had on the screen up there. Yeah, thank you. Alright.
So what was the problem with it?
It was the HDMI port inside?
Yeah. Put a new one for you.
Alright, thank you. Yeah. Let me open this bag up. What's he asking, like the ethnicity, like where we from, or like?
Yeah, this is a 4K.
Okay. HDMI. Okay.
It's a very good cable.
Alright.
This port really runs.
Yeah, like I tried using like different HDMI cables, like with the Xbox 360 or like with it. Yeah, and we tried with the Xbox Series S we had, like that didn't work with the HDMI. So I like maybe this cable's, you know, a little loose, so like get a new one. How much would it be then?
$30. Yeah.
30 bucks?
Yeah.
Okay. I got it. I wanted to head to a Liquidators, you know, where they have everything. Monday and Tuesdays out, Saturday and Sunday 10 to 3. Yeah, or the two entrance. Please leave me. Yeah, so just follow around. I don't know. Oh, sorry, bus exit is here. redesigned so much. Look at this, is it the potato cards? Dog. Allora agita strolla. Ini tanpa soalnya. Potato ada stroller pia. Button. Please do not open the merchandise. Please do not open the merchandise. So you need a site. So flat. Oh damn! I can't play soccer. They got no matter. Oh, they got a space, but what the hell? Okay, what's this? No beer. Alright. They got Play-Doh. Ooh, they got. Let's see what they got. Ring. I don't know what that is. Oh, clue. I heard of that. I think at my teacher's work, like school, they used to have clue. Monopoly. Rồi đi gặp luôn luôn mình đi xe ôi. Ooh, a bike. Nice. The ugly ass handles though. Handlebar ugly and sick. This one has a nice one. What? What you say? Spotted. You know, duh. We had to do sasta, we are in race or deal the enemy. Okay. That's strong. Then food tea with the key, nothing. Okay, done. Mama. Oh, apa? Oh, cartoon.
6
Okay. The price. $654. ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤਾਂ 5 negotiate ਵੀ ਹੁੰਨੀ price. ਰੱਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ. Oh, they got Whirlpool fridge over here. It's a mini fridge. Yeah, pretty nice. Bro, what the hell? Fool me? Oh, I thought it was gonna make a noise. Think dog toys. Couple furniture over here. Got carpet. Twin seats. So this probably where curtains would be at. My mom was looking for curtains.
50C. Nope. First of all, I'm looking for cotton, so I thought it might be over here. Oh, there's a football. Oh, they actually do got a football design. I thought you were saying as a joke because it was shaped like one. Oh my god. Yeah.
Bitch, where? Bitch, where?
Let's say spiral. I didn't catch it. Oh, we catch a spiral. See, look, that's a spiral right there. Fire cho mà tình nó chơi này nó từ mình the fire. Oh, air purifier repair. Enough for the ride in the star. Oh, it is not in the store technically, it is outside. The lamp. Oh, this has to be sick for a gaming area, this lamp. I think it's dead though. There's a clock. Oh, there's a wall clock. See, cut na rang chujje jaise lagti. You need a shower filter? No, I don't know. This is a good gaming days if you think about it. Joking. Damn, it's so hard. Because they only have asking for testing. Why so hard though? You didn't say that. You don't know how to read it.
$102
No mop. Spin the mop. Steam. Sit the sprayer and wax it and
ਸਪਰੇ ਵੈਕਸ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਨਾਲ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਪਿਨ ਮਾਪ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਡੈਡੀ ਪੋਲਿਸ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਵੈਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਲੈਣਾ
Mama ne wait out.
You look just awful.
The drape, the mannequin drape. Alright, you know what's a mannequin the drape again?
This doesn't match.
That is the number one bar at Walmart and Target.
Why we don't take
Let's
this
change
table with us? Aaron G. Why don't take that speaker? You think it's sponsor here? Imagine someone grab this. Will you can I take this? Yeah. not working. Alright guys, so as you see, it looks brand new, clean. The cleaning software was for free. I like might as well get it done for free. You know, it was around 165 for the HDMI repair for me. I got a HDMI cable $30 flat because the other one was a bit loose, and I told him about that. So I was like, yeah, let's just use this one. Oh, there's a cover on it. I gotta take it off and plug it into the TV. So yeah, I'm about to do that real quick and see how work go doing well it would work. This what the cable looking like. I got it plugged in back here. Now time to grab this side. I'll plug it in here. It fit it perfectly. Yeah. As if we nice and snug in there. Gotta plug this wire in. You know, for power. We got it plugged in. You know, my custom outlet. You feel me? I'm gonna plug this game thing in and power it on. You know what? Let's just power it on. Oh, so it popped up nice. Alright, that's good. This broken remote, I gotta buy another one. Says, you know, see, click the right button. The right button don't work no more. Any of these other buttons. Only half of the button works nowadays. Oh, it's still didn't display nothing though. What? Oh wait, never mind. Now it's displaying. It's processing. Alright, that makes sense. Gotta repair console storage. It's working. Just gotta repair the console storage. You know. It's like it's all the repair.
You put the new HD one.
Yeah, I don't know, because you know it's newer and it's like as if it's snugged in. Yeah, I gotta press it and you say okay.
Well, they must have put the paper set for Brown James sword.
What?
He got made acid sword.
Oh, you actually did this. I gotta plug this one in. Oh, shoot. I gotta drop a review. No, I don't. But they put a sticker on the back of it to promote them. So. Oh, let's move this cables back. You know. Oh, for the remote. Yeah, oh, Minecraft had a update. No, probably still not enough space.
You put the fast drive and sit back
in. Yeah. Let's have a look at good voice there, so I'm gonna plug the camera one back in. Alright. With the camera, without the camera. Yeah, I had 2 people join. I was about to start streaming and like a lot of people joined in the beginning last time. No, they put the repair receipt on the side. Oh, so my number was on there. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. That's all for it. As you see, it's working nice and crisp. Nice and crisp right there, as you see. What do you mean? The quality is better since we got a 4K HDMI cable. I'm joking, it's the same thing as a PS5 cable. Still got the broken HDMI cable.
That cable probably works too, you know.
Yeah, but you know, but that one's was getting loose and falling out. So I might as well just get a proper cable that just fits snug in. Cause that that one used to just fall down a bit and get loose. Then stop displaying. Oh, you about to do a little quickie? You get the joke. Guy about to do a quickie.